Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Bolton and then a squadron of X-Wings have got on board. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Try to shake your balloon! I'm trying! We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to jump out of the way!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Hey, Rey, I don't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters?
You will exit and prepare yourselves for processing and interrogation. Now get out.
Yes, General. Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
I can press that button.
Seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, the ghost of the prisoner. Give a breach and detention lock 3.
Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention mode breach. Prison crossing will then D. There they are! Fire!
They come out! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time! Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I'm set down! Up is bad! Sprint
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the vengeful cannons!
personnel. I repeat, abandon ship. Disregard the building.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, Scaffold coffee.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're right.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.